Hi. My name is Michael Nicholas and I'm the owner of US Janitorial Services. Our company specializes in commercial cleaning services for nearly 25 years. In today's video we are going to review the ultimate guide to keeping urinals and restrooms clean and healthy. Introduction of the benefits of regular urinal and restroom cleaning. Keeping public restrooms clean and hygienic is essential for the health and safety of all who use them. Every business struggles with urinal cleaning, toilets deep cleaning, commercial restroom cleaning supplies and commercial bathroom cleaning. Public restrooms are hard to do task for every business owner to maintain a high level of hygiene and cleanliness. Exploring different methods of urinal and restroom cleaning. Cleaning the bathroom is a necessary but time-consuming task. To make it easier, many people rely on toilet bowl cleaner, toilet bowl brush, and urinal deodorizer blocks or urinal screens. These products are designed to effectively remove dirt and grime from surfaces while also reducing odors and preventing the spread of germs. With these tools, it's easy to keep your bathroom clean in no time. What are the key challenges with urinal and restroom cleaning? Keeping urinals clean and odor-free is essential for a pleasant bathroom experience. Unfortunately, urine buildup can create an unpleasant smell that can be hard to get rid of. Fortunately, urinal deodorizer screens are an effective way to help eliminate odors. Anti-splash helps keep the area clean and hygienic. Urinal screens are easy to use and will help maintain a fresh-smelling environment in your restroom for months to come. Tips for a smarter approach to urinal and professional restroom maintenance. Maintaining a clean and hygienic public restroom is essential for keeping people safe and healthy. Unfortunately, many public bathrooms lack the necessary cleaning supplies or are not cleaned regularly. Investing in a professional cleaning service to spruce up your restrooms and urinals is an absolute necessity. With our help, you can make sure that these areas are kept clean and smelling fresh all year round. To ensure that your restrooms remain germ-free and pleasant for all users, it is important to follow a regular deep cleaning routine as well as some simple hygiene tips, or contact us for your next cleaning project. US Janitorial Services are second to none, with an emphasis on fast and efficient restroom cleaning. Let us take care of your daily cleaning routine so you can focus on other aspects of your business. US Janitorial, providing premier commercial cleaning services. Visit us at usjservices.com. Or give us a call at 1-800-210-6069 to learn more or to schedule an appointment. We will be more than happy to assist you.